Alright guys, it's time for the 100 hours battery. You're checking the fluid inside the battery. There's no cap on top to open. And you're checking whether the things are connected. They are. Water pump and alternator, drive belt. Check and adjust and replace. Engine oil and filter. Spark arrestor. Here we go. So you're supposed to go in through this hole right here and release this pipe plug that's been jacked on there by a monkey at the factory with 150 foot-pounds of torque. So we pulled the muffler out because the guys at Bobcat thought it would be cool to crank down on a brass pipe plug so tight that you can't get it with a tool. You have to pull the muffler out just to get it off. So yeah. This is awful, Bobcat. Somebody's got to do something about these torque values. You can't even get this machine apart. You can't get access to the stuff you need to work on. You have to disassemble it just to get this simple access panel is supposed to open up easy peasy and get in there and take this thing out, and we've spent half an hour trying to monkey with it. It's supposed to be a 1-minute process. Why aren't these guys being trained how to install this properly? I'd use an extractor to get this plug out. This is ridiculous. There's your 100-hour service.